Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl 036 Pro. The customer wanted to turn it into a little bit of a test chainsaw. He didn't want to go full blown, just wanted some minor upgrades. And so I did the custom exhaust on it, also the exhaust window, a little porting on it, and changed the timing on it. And that's a 28-inch bar and chain 3/8 pitch, and it handles it nicely. I'll fire it up and let you listen to it. Chainsaw will be disabled now, but if you have any questions on these test chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.